Okay, here we are demonstrating the plugin. Thank you very much. We're going to add the plugin. For now, I'm going to upload it from my local computer. Activate the plugin. The terms and conditions and privacy policy plugin says you need to edit the actual plugin file, and it provides the 3 shortcodes. Let's take a look at the terms of service and privacy policy that we are somewhat copying and pasting. It says we're free to use it however we want, including for commercial use. However, the author says that we can. And the author, which is automatic in this case, says that we can use it, and only if we want to does it require a link to WordPress.com. In other words, it does not require it. Same for the privacy policy. No link back is required. It's optional. If you do want to add a link back for some reason, then you can do that manually in your own page or post that you use this shortcode in. Let's edit the plugin. We're using Advanced Code Editor, which is convenient for using line numbers and such. We've got a plugin, we've got a page already created, just showing you that it provides you a link directly to edit this plugin. So let's go to line 42 and start typing away all these things that are required in order to fill out the terms. And the privacy policy. That'll pull your WordPress URL unless you enter a URL to override it. All the examples to the right-hand side are exactly the way they were showing up in Automatic's wording. And so if it says days versus day, it makes sense to keep it in the same context. So, for example, this says something along the lines of, we will reply within 1 business day. And your damages go back for the period of a 12-month period, something like that. The DMCA, Digital Millennium Copyright Act, it's recommended that you put in your own link, but it's a little bit different sort of policy and contact form all in one. If you just leave it blank, then I guess it's best that they just use your website's contact form. The last items are the location of the business, because if the business is located in Owasso, Oklahoma, then you're going to put in the state, in the county, and in the city of Owasso, Oklahoma. And then you have to say, yes, I want to actually publish all this stuff. In other words, I verify I am all done and I want to display it. So we updated the actual plugin file. Then we go back to our page where we had the shortcode, and there it is. We're just scrolling down, taking a look, and you can see that the privacy policy and terms and conditions are all in one page. And it creates that link there. And since we're logged in as the administrator, it has the edit button for the post. Now back at the top, you see it's got those anchor links. And that's the shortcode to include both in one page. So let's test it out, separate pages. Terms of use, shortcode. privacy policy shortcode. And here we'll demonstrate if you turn that trigger off back to 0, it will disable displaying the plugin's output. There we go. And it provides you the link right there, and you can go back and change it to a 1 again. And it's contextual, so it's privacy policy coming soon, or terms of service coming soon, or terms and privacy policy coming soon. And here we're demonstrating do not use terms and conditions, use terms of service. It's a short code that's defined in the plugin. My terms of service and privacy policy is a short code, my terms of service is a short code, and my privacy policy is a short code. And it's contextual. Terms are coming soon, since this is the terms shortcode. Change it back to a 1 because we want to publish it. And it's working again. And it's able to be deactivated and deleted. In which case the shortcode will no longer work. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy it.